Most of the time, you'll use the ChangeGo as a single stroller with one toddler seat attached. To change the seat direction, press the two release buttons on the side of the seat and lift it straight up off the frame. Turn the seat to face towards you or away from you, then lower it back onto the frame until it clicks. To use the bassinet in single mode, remove the toddler seat and attach the bassinet until it clicks into place. The bassinet should always be used parent-facing. To use two toddler seats, flip up both lower adapters and attach each seat until it clicks into place. You can also raise one seat higher by flipping up the frame mount. Attach one seat on the raised mount and the second seat on the lower adapters. If you want the bassinet closest to you, flip up both sets of lower adapters. Attach the bassinet parent-facing on the rear adapters, then attach the toddler seat on the front adapters facing outward. You can also place the bassinet in the front position. Lower the rear adapters, flip up the middle mounts, then attach the toddler seat parent-facing on top and the bassinet in front. To start, line up the front wagon seat with the slots at the front of the frame and press it down until it clicks into place. To create a full wagon, attach the rear wagon seat to the slots at the back of the frame until it clicks into place. To remove a wagon seat, press the button underneath the slot on each side. The ChangeGo supports over 20 configurations, so you can adjust it as your family grows.